Hey everybody, so today I have the Aquasonic Pro Duo series. Now I've been using Aquasonic products now for a couple of years. I really love them. The toothbrush I use now is Aquasonic. Both my daughters use an Aquasonic. Pretty much everybody in the house uses an Aquasonic now. Alright, so inside you do have a user manual, and then we have dual toothbrushes. So we got a black and a white one. We got plenty of toothbrush heads to last for a little while. You do get one of their toothpaste. I actually wanted to try it. And then we have our Duo charger, so everything will be able to charge all on the same toothbrush stand. Alright, so each one does get its own little travel case. Everything matches. And there's a couple more brush heads in each one as well. So you get 5 brush heads total. And let's say, at 3 months, well, it's going to last you a decent amount of time. Now this one, the design is a little bit different compared to the older model here. This one has a little bit more of a weight to it, and it's a little bit thicker around. Also, even whatever you would call this piece where you stick the head on is made a little bit differently. As you can see, the old one is a thinner metal piece, and this one is more of like a thicker plastic one. Alright, so it should already have a charge. It's got a decent amount of power, pretty similar to the other one. So you can also change the modes. So you got your clean, you got your whiten, and then your massage. The trays themselves, they are not chargeable. I think the Pro one might. I'll have to check on that when I get it. So it comes with two different colors, easy to distinguish them, and you got one for you and one for your partner. I think it'll just come down to who's going to have one color and fight over the other one. Anyway, if you want a pretty solid toothbrush, definitely give the Aquasonic a try. I highly recommend them.